So today we will see about the in-app notification feature which is available in the Dynamics CRM. It is a kind of notification to show some useful information to the user of Dynamics CRM. So basically we can show these kind of notification uh, on creation of a record in a particular entity such as account or contact. We can show these kinds of notification when a user creates a post and mentions his colleagues in that post. So we can show the mentioned user that he has been mentioned in a post by the particular user. Also we can show this notification when the time limit of an SLA has been breached. So there can be multiple scenarios. We will see how to create this in-app notification by using Power Automate Flow. For that, this is the model driven app for which I want to show the in-app notification, and each model driven app have a particular setting for the in-app notification which is by default set to no. We need to turn it on. For that we will head over to the make.powerapps.com. Here in the app section we need to edit the app, and there is the settings menu. We will go to the features app. Inside features we have this in-app notification setting which we need to set it to yes. We can save it and also publish. Here you can see there is a bell icon which is right now not visible to us, but after turning this feature in this setting we can come here and refresh the page. Now as you can see the bell icon is visible to us in this particular app. Now we need to create a flow for that. So we will create a automated flow in Power Automate. We can give the name of the flow here. I want to trigger this flow when a row is added. So our scenario is whenever a account record is created, I want to show this user a in-app notification. This in-app notification is also termed as toast notification. So here I am selecting the account table. After that I need to create a new record in notifications table. So you need to search for notifications, and the first one is the entity or table which we need to select. One more thing we need to keep in mind that the logged in user should have create privilege for this table, otherwise he will not be able to see the in-app notifications. The title can be a new account has been created. The body of the notification, here we can provide a simple text like this, or we can also provide a link to open the account record from the notification. For that the syntax is like this. We need to provide the text value inside the bracket like this, and we can provide the text value like click here to open. After that, we have these small brackets, and there we will provide the dynamic link to open the account record. For any kind of record, we need to pass the URL. The URL can be get from here, like here. So here we can see we can copy from the page type till this ID, and we can paste it here. We can add one question mark in the starting of the URL, and here we can provide the dynamic GUID of this account record. The data field is used to show some additional information. We can also show a button, so all things will come inside a JSON format, which we can use to show more information. In this scenario, we don't have such information, so we are not using this data. It is optional field. The expiry, here the value we need to provide in the seconds, so I am providing here 120 seconds. So after 120 seconds or 2 minutes, our notification will expire and will not be visible under this notification bell icon. The icon type can depend on our requirement. For example, in this scenario, we are informing the user that account record is created, so we can select the info icon. Similarly, if someone has created a post and has mentioned this user in that post, we can select this mention icon. The warning can be shown in case SLA time limit has been breached. So many scenario we have many kind of icons. Selecting the info for our scenario. Owner, we want to create this notification record for this user, and then only he will be able to see that record. This owner field is a lookup field. To set a lookup value inside this field, we need to provide the value in this way. First, we will type the logical name of the entity, and that should be a plural name. So after that entity name, I am providing S to make it plural. After that, small brackets we need to provide, and the GUID of that user. So in my case, as I will show you, by creating the account record with this particular user, so the owner of that account will have the GUID. That GUID I am passing it directly here. Now priority we can decide here only, providing it as high. Here you can see the toast type. It is of form hidden and time. We need to select time. Hidden will not show a toast notification like this, a pop-up like toast notification we will not be able to see. We can only see it under this bell icon. But if we want to see as a pop-up notification, then we need to select it as timed. Once we have created, we can save the Power Automate flow and continue creating a new account record. So our Power Automate flow has been created. We will head over to the trial app and we will create a new record in the account entity. Let's create this record. Our record is created. Now we will go inside the flow and check whether it is running or not. So we can see this record shows that our flow has just run 17 seconds ago. We will go over here and in the meantime we will be able to see the notification under this bell icon. It may take some time, or if we select it here, you can see the notification a new account has been created with this link. If you click here, it will navigate us to the particular record. So this is the way to see the notification info just like this on create of a record. I hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestion or any query regarding this tutorial, you can post your comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.